This junction is a particularly complicated one, quite close to the Norris Green Test Centre in Liverpool, and although my pupil swerved instead of slowing, it didn't warrant the reaction, but it just shows how people treat driving school vehicles. Feel free to add any swear word you like to the muted audio.
Okay, good. Second, come on, snap it. Not now, not with steering.
Sorry.
Come on, you've got to look further, Liv. Second. Your space is fine, stay straight. Okay. Slow. Now off we go. You can't. Okay, off we go. We're going to take the next left, please, Liv.
What was your thoughts on the Corsa that did the overtake and then turned left? 2 lanes are going ahead, but it's the white Jaguar to our right that we're watching.
I agree. Tell what you were thinking, you were right. Click a clutch though, mate.
Yeah.
Remember from here, we don't have to signal right, but you've got to be really aware of people. No, you don't have to, just be aware of people in that lane doing exactly what that one did. And that one. Okay. Excellent. Adjust gas, try not to escape from these though.
Yeah.
Which hand's going to pull you around this curve? The left. We are not parking this time, we're just going to go straight on and go and do the turn down at the bottom. Just nice and relaxed. Good.
The first few lessons when you're learning to drive can be the most stressful. You're not very good at controlling the car, but it doesn't help when there's people who overtake at times like this.
Down and put it back into second gear again. Relaxed. Yeah, second gear. Good. Clutch back up. Put a left signal on. Gently brake. Clutch back down, stay straight. Stay straight. Put it in first gear. Good. Off the brake. Gas and find a little bit of bite and stay straight until we turn. Don't rush. Dan, trust me. Where are you looking? Good. Creep with the clutch. Creep with the clutch and look left. Look left, Dan. Move your hands. Creep with the clutch and move your hands. Move them. Got to move them. Good. Straighten up with that side. Dip the clutch.
Yeah, I'm not fast enough.
No.
Yeah.
That's okay. Nicely sorted. Off we go. You just went back to fear a little bit. Clutch
There's
fully
so
up.
many cars.
Clutch fully up. But hang on a minute. None were on our side of the road.
Yeah.
Do you get where I'm coming
Yeah.
from? Yeah? But you were focusing at them as opposed to listening to what I was asking you to do.
Yeah.
The only reason why I touched the brake there was the one overtaking.
Yeah.
Next right, put a right signal on. Hold on. Can't get going a bit more now. Change how you do it, not just in one way all the time. Better. Good.
Looks good, isn't it?
Fabulous. Was it a risk scenario though? No. It wasn't at all, was it?
Plenty space between us.
Yeah, because I'm not pressurising as well. You can see the distance that I've also kept back to.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa! It took me a second to work out what he'd done there, the plonker.
Amazing.
Why is your insurance so high?
I wonder. That is immense. That is absolutely immense.
Watch the motorcyclists that come out of the petrol station. They put this cyclist at danger also. This is the first clip from the Tesla with the dashcam installed, and it proves when you do the speed limit everyone wants to overtake. It's not just learners, but I promise you, it's usually worse with learners.
She's such a babe, isn't she? Mimi went on capital. I love how many DMs I'm getting in today just saying, Amy, help, I need Christmas gift ideas. Am I about to become the Santa Claus of the radio, giving you all of these options? Hey look, all I'm going to say is candles, diffusing...
I must admit, I think it's going to be pretty interesting to see my reaction when things happen out on the road. What do you think? Yet again another classic case of people not wanting to queue. Watch the white BMW.
To it than crossing traffic. If I was crossing traffic, if I was turning right here,
Yeah, you're out the way.
at these traffic lights, you finished and done.
Yeah.
Have I talked to you about walk across, drive across, or walking back?
We haven't finished yet.
I'm familiar with it.
Familiar with?
Yeah.
Okay. The emerge is
Go ahead, highway maintenance. The way I see it is...
And then just a couple of minutes further up the road.
where should you be though, position wise?
Take your position from the left.
Yeah.
He's gonna make the YouTube! Actually, he's only going there, he's alright. No, he's on YouTube.
Funny. It was coming straight on, therefore who was going to come from that side?
Absolutely no one, even if it was someone.
Adjust. I can't believe they've just actually done that.
You turn mid-road.
Yeah. Weren't the best time to do it, was it?
Here's a clip from a recent road trip. Watch the Mercedes that's next to us.
You think if people...
It always amazes me how little people pay attention when they're driving a killing machine. Yay, Tesla cam! Now, this is a road just outside of Liverpool, and it's the Formby bypass, the A565, and I've had problems here before. Now, what I'm doing is I'm adjusting my speed to try and fit into where the traffic should merge in turn. So I try and position my car just behind the silver one to the left. But as normal, there's always one person who gets triggered. This Ford. They didn't make it easy, did they? But it's only the lack of education in understanding that this method, the merge in turn method, is what we should be trying to do to keep things safe. Remember, always try and position one from one side, one from the other. And be ready to give way to the Muppets. Thanks a lot for watching and everyone's continued support over the last 12 months.